Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to review your spending habits on Bright. Understanding your spending habits is essential for making smarter financial decisions, and Bright gives you the tool to do just that. Start by opening the Bright app and logging into your account. From the home screen, tap on the Insights or Expense tab, depending of course on your version of the app. Here you're going to find a summary of your spending broken down by categories like food, bills, travels, and more. Scroll through the monthly overview charts to see where most of your money is going. Bright will also highlight categories where your spending has increased or decreased compared to last month. Tap on any category to see a detailed list of individual transactions and exactly how your spending has changed over time. To view trends, simply swipe between months or tap the calendar icon to open a specific period. Bright also displays weekly and monthly spending averages, helping you to quickly spot any problems areas. Use this insight to adjust your budget, to cut back on unnecessary spendings, or to relocate funds to your savings goals. Reviewing your spending habits regularly helps to keep you informed, in control, and aligns with your financial goals. If this tutorial helped you take charge of your finances, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful Bright guides. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.